2016 Hyundai Veloster. Really nice car. He came all the way from Huntsville, Alabama to us. It's got factory converter there. There's another one on the manifold. Here's the resonator we took off and put a vibrant 3-inch in, 3-inch out bottle muffler in its place. Then we did a muffler delete right there with a Y pipe because the setup comes with dual outlet right there. That's how you do a muffler delete on these guys. 2 1/4 and then 2 1/4 tailpipe. There's the muffler and dual outlet that comes out of these. It's crazy design right there. And there's the factory tips that come on it. He couldn't find anybody in Huntsville to do it, so he brought it to us and we got it done for him. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It always helps us keep going. Thank you. There we go. Much better. Give it gas. Oh, yeah. Blow out now. That's not so much better. I'm glad we changed it to the vibrant and opened it up. There's sound decibels again. Right at 94. Go ahead and back it up. Hyundai Veloster Turbo. That sounds so much good. Tell us what you guys think. Let you guys hear on the inside.